Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asian stock market wobbles around 2-year top. Jackson Hole in focus. http ntvforex.com news ID 9195C66 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Asian shares trade mixed as traders await Fed Chair Powell's speech from Wyoming. US-China tussle, Hurricane Laura, and second-tier data fail to impress the traders. Bach leaves monetary policy unchanged, downgrades 2020 growth forecast. Asian equity bulls catch a breather as global market sentiment sours ahead of the key speech from the Jackson Hole Symposium. Even so, the MSCI index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rises 0.15% to probe the highest levels since August 2018 during the pre-European session on Thursday. In addition to the cautious mood, headlines suggesting escalation in the Sino-American tension joins the fear of the U.S. Hurricane Laura also weigh on the risk-tone sentiment. Allegations that the World Health Organization who favors China while investigating the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak gained momentum after the U.S. decided to punish companies helping Beijing to grab more lands in the disputed South China Sea. On the other hand, the Dragon Nation undertook missile trials during the latest military drills. To portray the sentiment, Japan's Nikkei 225 drops 0.35% to 23,207, whereas stocks in Australia and New Zealand mark mild gains under 0.50% by the press time. Further, shares in China and Hong Kong seem to bear the burden of the Trump administration-led global hard stand, while South Korea's Kospi drops 0.88% following the Bank of Korea's Bach downbeat economic forecasts. Alternatively, Indonesia's IDX mark a move less than 0.10%, but India's BSE Sensex adds over 0.50% amid stabilizing COVID-19 numbers at home. Talking about data, Australia's private capital expenditure Q2 dropped less than 8.4% forecast to 5.9%, while Japan's all-industry activity index crossed 0.8% expected and 4.1% prior, with 6.1% rise. Looking forward, the second quarter Q2 GDP numbers for Switzerland and the US may offer intermediate moves to the markets ahead of Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech. While the Fed boss is not expected to leave behind his economic optimism, chatters surrounding the average inflation targeting 8 helps the market players off late. Read Powell's Jackson Hole Symposium preview, Inflation's virtual reality. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.